What's happening, guys? It's Jason from Aircooled Vintage Works, and I'm back again to talk about some new Fuchs wheels that I got to show you guys. Now, I did a video a few months back talking about all the various Fuchs wheels that we offer, sizes, colors, finishes, and all that. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link in the description. You should go check it out. Get yourself familiarized with what's out there in the aftermarket. Today, I'm going to show you something brand new. These are awesome. So now if you're a Fuchs guy and you like these wheels, 15 4.5 and 15 6s, often called earlies, this is something that never existed, but people have sort of made these in the past by hacking up original wheels or aftermarket wheels and making the same effect happen. These are brand new cast wheels, so there's no welding, no cutting, none of that. It's actually a one-piece wheel. So check this out. They look like a standard 15 by 4.5 from the front, right? But when you look at it from the side, check out all that poke on that spoke. They stick way out past the lip. So it's really pronounced, that crab. So these are called King Crabs. And they're made by our friends in Japan called Garage Vintage. These are brand new. Like I said, one-piece construction, no cutting, no welding, none of that. It's made this way. And it's made to accept the 60 millimeter three-prong cap, so what's often referred to as an early center cap. You see the prongs there, and on the front you got the Porsche logo. Now these don't come with it, but we do have these available to finish off your wheels. So the cool thing is, if you like original Porsche caps instead of the ring style later ones, the three-prong caps snap right in. So as you can see, this wheel, I'm going to bring it a little closer so you can get a good look at it, has huge spoke poke. I mean, that's the coolest part about this wheel. But Garage Vintage did a really good job of making sure the lip looks like the original 15 4.5. It's got a nice graceful curve to it. The spokes have the right shape to them. Even the center section where the center cap snaps into, it's got the right look to it, okay? Got the heart right there, just like you should have. So basically everything that you would expect in a 15 4.5, but done exaggerated to give you that big king crab poke on it. Super cool. Now, these come polished, just like this wheel here. This is a fully polished wheel. There's no coating on here, so you're gonna have to keep it up by polishing it, but that's sort of traditional. Guys would polish their wheels back in the day. So this is the way they come. We took it a step further, of course, and we took a set and chromed them. And these are done right here in California. So this is true triple plate, and that's copper, nickel, and then chrome. Sometimes triple plate would be nickel chrome, which is cheaper. They tend to look blue. We don't do that. We go the extra step. So if you like that look, the traditional style look, polish is for you. If you want these things to stand out, then you go for chrome. And again, center cap is a three-prong. This one's an enamel inlaid center cap, not a hand painted. So what does that mean? Well, let me show you. This is a traditional Porsche center cap that's hand painted. So you can see the crest is inlaid and then hand painted. And if you come in here, this center cap crest is also inlaid, but it's enamel. So it's got the gold with the black and the red and the horse in it. So if you want sort of the new age style, you would go with the enamel inlaid crest. If you like the traditional style, the painted one's pretty awesome. So just for some comparison, let's talk about the 15 by 4.5 Fuchs that are currently on the market. This is what you would find if you were buying an aftermarket Fuchs wheel. This is a 15 by 4.5. This one's made by MP, but there's a lot of other ones out on the market. You can see they don't poke out as much from the lip as the new King Crabs do, okay? If you're looking for traditional, original looking wheel, this is as close as you're gonna get these days. If you want that look, but with more original details, that's the King Crab. The only thing that's not original is how far those spokes stick out. If you wanna make a statement, this is the wheel you wanna get. And you can see they just poke way out of that lip. It's gonna look so awesome underneath a slammed bug, or a bus, or a Porsche. other details that come with these that's pretty cool to look at too, okay? They spent a lot of time on something just simple like this valve stem. Notice the length of the valve stem and the shape of the valve stem. It's almost like the original one. And yeah, in my hand, you probably can't pick it up so much, but it's a lot different than what your standard tire store valve stem is. These are cool rubber ones. Works just like a standard valve stem. You get your cap and everything. But these are specific for these wheels. And if you look how deep inset that valve stem is going to sit in here. That's why you got the extra height on these that you do. So just to recap really quickly what we're looking at here. This is a brand new 15 by 4.5 5-on-130 bolt pattern Porsche Fuchs wheel called the King Crab. And it's called that because the spokes or crabs stick way out. These are all new, one-piece aluminum construction, in polished, and we also have them in chrome. They come ready to accept a 60mm 3-prong center cap, like you see here. These are not included, but we do have them on our website if you want to finish out your wheel set. Now, these are sold in pairs, either polished or chrome, and we can also do paint detailed with the black detailing in the recessed area. In the near future, there'll be something awesome coming out for the rear, but I can't tell you about it yet, but I can tell you I've seen them, and they're total game changers. When they do come out, we'll have full sets of fronts and rears so that you can buy a full set of these brand new wheels. They're going to be the most authentic reproductions of Porsche alloys, Fuchs, Crabs, whatever you want to call it. They're going to be the most authentic ones on the market. You will not be able to tell the difference between these and originals. Again, our friends at Garage Vintage in Japan are the ones making these, and we're importing them to the United States. We have them in stock now. We've got more coming, a lot more coming. So if you want to get a pair of these, jump on our website, go to the wheels section. You can spec them out in either polished or chrome. You can add center caps to it if you want to add the center caps. We've got lugs, we've got studs. We've got basically everything you need except tires. So if you want these for your Volkswagen, for your Bug, your Bus, your Type 3, or your Porsche, hit the website and check them out. And stay tuned. Like I said, there's some cool stuff coming. I can't wait to show it to you, but I've been sworn to secrecy. So let's take a look at this chrome one out in the sun one more time before we sign off.